The oil pump is one of the most critical components in an engine, yet also one of the most misunderstood. To understand why it breaks down, you first need to understand how it works. Stay tuned until the end to learn about the symptoms of failure. The oil pump is a mechanical device driven directly by the engine, either through the crankshaft, camshaft, or timing chain, depending on the design. Most modern engines use gear-type pumps. Its function is not to create pressure by itself, but to generate flow. Pressure is the result of resistance as the oil moves through internal passages and engine clearances. The pump draws oil from the oil pan through the pickup tube and screen, pushes it through the filter, and then distributes it through internal galleries that feed the crankshaft bearings, camshaft, pistons, and, in turbocharged engines, the turbocharger as well. All of this happens within seconds after startup. Now, oil pumps rarely fail on their own. In most cases, damage is the consequence of other underlying issues. One of the most common causes is oil contamination. When oil is not changed on time, it degrades and accumulates metal particles, combustion residues, and sludge. These contaminants pass through the pump and act as abrasives, gradually wearing down the internal gears and increasing clearances. Over time, this wear reduces the pump's volumetric efficiency and lowers available pressure. Another frequent cause is cavitation. This occurs when the pump attempts to draw oil but receives air or insufficient flow instead. It can happen due to low oil levels, a partially clogged pickup tube, or a leaking seal that allows air to enter the system. Cavitation creates microbubbles that collapse internally and can damage metal surfaces. Using oil with incorrect viscosity can also contribute. Oil that is too thick in cold climates can strain the system during startup, while oil that is too thin at high temperatures can reduce the lubricating film and affect overall system pressure. Additionally, when an engine has advanced bearing wear, internal clearances increase. This leads to a general drop in oil pressure because the oil encounters less resistance as it flows. In many cases, the pump is blamed, when the real issue is engine wear. However, the pump may end up working constantly at its limit trying to compensate, accelerating its own deterioration. As for symptoms of failure, the most obvious is low oil pressure. This may appear as a warning light on the dashboard or a low reading on a pressure gauge if the vehicle has one. However, once pressure drops, damage can begin almost immediately if the engine continues operating under load. Another common symptom is metallic knocking from the lower part of the engine, especially from rod or main bearings. This happens because the lubricating film is no longer sufficient to keep metal surfaces separated. Noise may also develop in the upper engine area due to insufficient lubrication of the camshaft or lifters. In some cases, pressure may become unstable, fluctuating more than normal with temperature or engine speed. This can indicate internal wear in the pump or issues with the pressure relief valve integrated into the system. It's important to understand that a total oil pump failure without prior warning is uncommon. What typically happens is a gradual loss of efficiency that goes unnoticed until the symptoms become impossible to ignore.